Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon Redshift for cluster performance tuning. Begin by logging into your Amazon Web Services account. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift console. Select the cluster you wish to configure. Click on the Cluster tab to see the performance metrics. Familiarize yourself with the metrics such as CPU utilization, disk space, and query performance. Identify the current workload and usage patterns for your cluster. Consider scaling your cluster based on those patterns. To scale, select Resize Cluster and choose an appropriate node type and count. Next, optimize your configuration settings. Access the Parameter Groups section from the navigation pane. Create a new parameter group or modify an existing one. Adjust the parameters according to your workload requirements. For instance, consider changing the max_concurrency_scaling parameter to enhance performance during peak loads. Monitor the query_group parameter to better manage workload organization. Once you've made changes to parameter settings, save and apply them to your cluster. Now, focus on optimizing your table design. Using distribution keys efficiently can help minimize data movement. Review your distribution styles -key, all, or even and select the best fit for your tables. Indexing can also improve query performance. Implement sort keys to enhance the speed of query execution. Utilize vacuum and analyze commands regularly. Vacuuming reclaims space from deleted rows, optimizing disk usage. Analyzing update statistics for your tables provides the query planner with accurate information. Consider using the AWS Redshift Query Performance Insights tool. This tool helps identify slow-running queries and offers optimization recommendations. Schedule regular maintenance tasks to check and improve cluster performance. Review your workload management settings. Define queues based on user roles and query types to optimize resource allocation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.